Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a good one for you. I have an unboxing to do. I won a prize from LYS Beauty, so I'm gonna let you know what I got in my gift. I also have a little bit of jewelry to talk to you about. Definitely stay with me. There might be a giveaway at the end. I'm gonna start with a little bit of jewelry from Read Your Heart. I have received jewelry from this company in the past. This video is not sponsored, but they do occasionally send me some pieces to share with you, and I am happy to do so. I have a 15% discount code. I will pop it up here, as well as links for the items I'm about to show you. Read Your Heart has some amazing jewelry, some unique pieces, some everyday pieces, bold to simple. I love that they use Moissanite in a lot of their sparkling diamond-like stones. Moissanite actually has more of a sparkle and more of a hardness than an actual diamond for a fraction of the price. Moissanite is gorgeous, and I love that I'm collecting more and more pieces. My necklace is the cube-wrapped Solitaire Moissanite necklace in sterling silver. It is a round Moissanite nested in a cube frame to show off the sparkle of the Moissanite in all directions. It is sterling silver with a rhodium finish, and the chain is 16 inches with a 2-inch extender. I love how it catches the light and moves around. So pretty. The earrings that I'm wearing, these are the Bezel Princess Cut Moissanite hoop earrings on sterling silver. I love the size. The Moissanite catches the light. I'll go ahead and take it off so I can show you how it opens and closes. You can see right there, and then it just presses shut. I've had these on all day. Very pretty. And the last piece, this is the Bezel Princess Moissanite Twisted Rope Bead Engagement Ring. I love the square. I am a princess cut kind of girl. It matches my wedding set. And of course, this is Read Your Heart as well. I will definitely link this one. I never take this one off. I really enjoy that. And the last piece I'm going to show you that I'm not wearing. This one is the Moissanite 4-leaf clover Pave charm necklace in sterling silver. Let me go ahead and take it out of the packaging so you can see it a little better. Look how beautiful. See how the stone just catches the light? One of you are going to be getting this necklace. Let's move on to LYS. If you didn't know, LYS Beauty, it's gorgeous. They have their own website. They are sold at Sephora. I have spoken about LYS so many times on my channel. I am wearing almost an entire face of LYS makeup right now. I, of course, will have everything listed and linked in the description box below. I also have a discount code for LYS that I will pop up. They reached out to all of us brand ambassadors and said that they were having a giveaway, and then they reached out and let me know that I won. So I got this big box last night, and I wanted to open it and share the goodies with you. So this is how big the box was. How big? And the first thing that I saw was this box here. Here is the beautiful founder, Tisha. Inside, I have the 3-piece mini glow blush stick set. You get the shades Bubbly, Focus, and Elite. Bubbly is a soft pink, Focused is a warm cinnamon pink, and Elite is mauve. I actually have Elite on my face today. I have the full size of that one. But yay, so excited to get this. And then I got this. This big gigantic bag was in the box. Let's check it out. We have a bag here from Well Capped. It says protect your piece and your edges, sis. Ooh, a prism puff from Dawn Cosmetics. Ooh, that is nice. Another blush stick. This is in the shade Courageous, which is a poppy orange. Yes, please. Ooh, We have a 5 Steps to Fab Superstar Formula for Fab Lashes, Lips, and Brows from Grande Cosmetics. We've got the Grande Lash. This is a 3-month supply, full size. Grande Brow, 6 weeks, mini size. Grande Drama, which is a thickening mascara. And Grande Lips, which is a high gloss volumizing lip plumper. Oh, and Grande Buff. This 2-in-1 moisturizing lip scrub is packed with eco beads, natural dissolving exfoliant to buff away dry skin. Ooh, I love it. I've used Grande Lash in the past. It is fabulous. We've got some hair clips from Well Capped. Very nice. From Pattern, I have styling cream and leave-in conditioner. From JennDBeauty, I have strawberry matcha latte eye patches. I just had some eye patches on this morning. I do like those. Another item from Well Capped. Oh, how sweet. This is a bag. Oh, how nice. That opens up. You can put things in there. Nice for travel. Here's a package from Lorve. Ooh, it says it contains a pair of sunglasses. Nice cleaning case. Oh my goodness. Ooh, we've got some lime green sunnies. I like the leopard sides. What do you think? Are they me? Ooh, First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads with glycolic and lactic acid, safe for sensitive skin. There are 28 pads. 54 Thrones Butter. Hand and body butter. African Beauty Rituals moisturize and nourish dry skin with these African skin foods. Shea butter, baobab oil, jojoba oil, and avocado oil. Little goes a long way. Smooths and soothes dry, dull skin. I need to try this. Does it have a scent? Nigerian lemongrass and South African palmarosa. Ooh, that's pretty. My hands are always so dry. Ooh, it feels thick. I get the lemon. It is a little on the, I would say, oily side, so this would probably be something that I would wear to bed. The Beauty Hydrating Rose Water. Prep your skin for serums and moisturizes with 30 roses. Set your skincare by locking in moisture with 30 roses. Refresh your skin and melt your makeup application with 30 roses. Look how pretty! That is such pretty packaging. It smells a little bit like roses, but not too strong. Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser Face Wash, Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins, Deep Clean Pores, Keep Skin Clear, Remove Makeup, and SPF, Refillable, Reusable. Oh wow, I want to look at this. I've never tried anything from Youth to the People. Oh wow, isn't that pretty? It's glass. I love trying new cleansers. Hair Nova Vibranium Claws. These must be a collab with Wakanda Forever. Very interesting. This blue, I could see my mother getting excited over these. I love my press-ons, but I keep them pretty short. Ooh, TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. Raw honey plus olive oil. Hairspray. Rizzo's Curls Volumizing Hairspray. Red algae, argan oil, and rosemary. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. Oh, it smells good. It smells sweet. Oh, it smells like candy. I like it. We have an Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I've never tried this from Amika. I just want to sniff everything. It smells nice. Tulip Screen Hydrating Lip Oil. It's got sunscreen in it. Wow. It looks like this is the color Fruit Punch. Let me just look at it. Oh, isn't that pretty? I'm gonna be in Florida for 3 days. This might be a good idea. A Japanesque Go Curl Travel Lash Curler. Creates arch, creates a soft sweeping curl, compact size for use with natural or false lashes. Ooh, Jenny does have a little outer corner lashes on today. Another big one. Rizzo's Curls Apple Cider Vinegar Scalp and Hair Rinse. certified organic ACV, lemon oil, black tea, kombucha. Gently clarifies. I've been thinking I need something to clarify this hair. Got a little sample of Black Girl sunscreen, Bye Bye Umbrella, water resistant, 80 minutes, no white residue. Oh my gosh, I think there's 3 perfumes in here. This first one says, is this Moody Supercharged Skin Scent, 2-in-1 dry oil perfume spray, fragrance to flaunt how you feel, 2-in-1 supercharged skin scent. Formula combines mood-boosting perfumery with luxury body care for a unique sensory experience. This says worthy on the bottom. I'm not sure if there are different scents. I don't see any notes. If I find them, I will pop them up. It smells like a sweet floral. I do like it. The next one is LYS Brooklyn Dear Sky Eau de Parfum. I don't see any notes or a specific name. Maybe Dear Sky is the name of it. Oh, that's pretty. It's like an iridescent white. This room's gonna smell good. Definitely not as sweet. Not sure I'm loving that one as much. And then this last one is NDA. Oh, it's Forever Mood. That is Jackie Aina's brand, and I do not see any notes. Now we're back to the sweet. Ooh. That smells nice. I think the one that I'm liking the most is this one from Moody. Here's a sample, Brown Girl Carousel Eau de Parfum. Ooh, caramelized apple, sparkling black currant, spun sugar, lily of the valley, coral rose, orange blossom. I have to sniff it. I'll know if I can smell it at this point. Not sure about that one. Spicy floral. There is one last thing in this bag. I'm so excited. It feels like a palette. Please let it be a palette. Oh, I missed another big thing in here. Starflower Serum. Look at that. It looks like nail polish, but it looks like maybe it's a skin serum. Comes on like a gel. No idea. I will look up some more information on this. And if you've heard of any of these products, let me know. I got a JennDBeauty palette. This is the Lightwork Volume 5 I Am palette. I don't even know if this is still available. I hope so, because I would love to do some looks with this on camera with you. Look at that. Oh, yes. Here are some of the shades. Oh my goodness. This Invincible. Now, a lot of these are shifting, but you know, I'm going to be drawn to this one, which is called Invincible. Oh my gosh, look at that. Inspiring. How about this Resilient Blue? My mama is going to be very excited when she sees this palette. Ooh, a nice icy blue. I have a feeling these ones in the center are special. I will, of course, tell you more about it. Here's Brave. That looks like maybe it's a topper. Oh yeah. Brave's got a few things going on here. I see teal, blue, green, gold. I hope this shows up on camera. Thank you so much, LYS. And Danessa Myricks, if you gifted this to them. Cannot wait to get this on my eyeballs. Ready for the giveaway? Here's what it's gonna be. This gorgeous Moissanite necklace from Read Your Heart Jewelry, the 3-pack of Higher Standard cream blushes, the V-Beauty Hydrating Rose Water, the Japanesque Travel Eyelash Curler, and the ESW Beauty Strawberry Matcha Latte Eye Patches. How do you get into the drawing? Well, let me tell you. You are going to be publicly subscribed to me, follow LYS Beauty on Instagram, as well as Read Your Heart Jewelry on Instagram, just to show our gratitude for these items. Comment your favorite LYS Beauty product or one that you're wanting to try. And of course, let me know how I can reach you, your email, your Instagram tag, and of course, like the video. I will pin a comment with the complete instructions for the giveaway, and I'll leave it open for a week. I hope that this unboxing video was fun. I'm glad that I'm going to be able to give one of you some of the goodies that I received. I'm so very grateful. Thank you again to Read Your Heart Jewelry, as well as LYS Beauty and all of the other companies that participated and provided products for this giveaway. I really appreciate you spending some of your precious time with me today. Make sure you check out the description box for links to all of these products, as well as a couple of discount codes that I have. I'll see you in the next one.